Oh my gosh, too much birds coming fly in the sea. They're group. They're similar. They're crazy. I don't know what happened. Was this have party here or for what? See? Strong voice. Surround. So noisy. It's kind of music, birds music. That's birds world. See over there on the top on the branch bush, in the one single, the birds fly down there for a long while. I don't know why it doesn't join the group of the birds. I plan to catch. I don't have the good camera right now. I have the camera, but its battery. I didn't carry the battery to here. I need it's hard to get power. And actually the camera of the phone. Even though the tablet is hard to catch the detail from the feather way, right? If I do, I would catch different birds and put different images on the bird which I found from the curb. Yeah, here some square, thicker wooden here. Yeah, each wooden bird I put different image of the birds. Oh, I never see so much birds surround the fly here. This area before. There are thousands maybe. There are thousands. They might have a party. You can hear. So strong voice. Everywhere, they down on the tree everywhere. Lee Garden have two of the blue bear. Sometimes I saw the birds coming to catch the blue bear, and I think it is kind of the favorite food for them. But they don't eating too much. Once catch one, and then they fly over. And mostly I ate them as well. See, I should have the long line of the camera. Lens of camera could catch exactly the movie. Yeah, they think that the camera lens isn't longer enough to shot them. Oh, fly over. You heard a fly over. Oh, see? Oh, cover the sky. It's probably 1,000. I think they might have the leader of bird, and they could control the movement of the group. Yeah, maybe they use issue sound, then like a like a commander to those group of the birds. They can move in together on the same time. Yeah, this is quite a beautiful area. See the beautiful bulrush. This kind of rush name is the bulrush. Beautiful. Thank you for watching. Yeah, see you next time. Have a great evening.